Game day, 3-game set tonight, 7 p.m. here against Drací. Ciao. We're gonna go lift, go get ready. Every day, getting better. No matter what it fucking takes. Headed to the game, repping Duvin. 7 p.m. against Drací, game 1. It's almost game time, 20 minutes. Field crew working at it. Sold out crowd. Looks good. Game time. Žárovkou otočím a bude tma. Oh, yeah! Game 1 winner! Right there! 4-1, 4-1. Good morning. It is Friday, May 31st. Game 2 today, 7 p.m. at Drací. Start the morning as always. Workout. We'll see you later. Ciao. God bless today. It's fucking beautiful.
They were taking the ether away. And for 100 years we've walked down this particle physics world.
Rainy, cloudy day. Headed to Brno in about 15 minutes. Game at 7. Weather pending, but always ready to play. Ciao! Made it to Brno, Drací. Drací Brno. We made it. We made it. Yeah, we back. Danny found the jungle gym. This is where the cool kids stretch.
Pretty bad though.
Whoa!
Oh, Jesus. You have to get up, bro. Oh, shit. You're good. You need better aim. Let's have Jack keep in the middle. Better off a ball with a team.
No, we should.
Yeah. It's called fucking hitting fungo on all those shit, dude. Because, you know, try to get the big. Yeah, I remember.
Yeah, my kitchen. Good morning. Today is Saturday, June 1st. We lost last night. That is okay. We got game 3 today of the series. We can still win the series. We lost 10-2 last night, but we're back on a beautiful foggy morning. 1 p.m. game, quick workout, van. Let's get it going.
Would it be galaxies? Would it be
Everything
everything?
behaves the same way.
So as the sun expands and
Game 3, day 3, Drací. Series 1-1 so far. We're up 3-1 in the best out of 5 series in the season. 1 p.m. game. Nukes win. 1-0. Umpires took away a leadoff homer by Drací, and we won 1-0. Good guys win, I'll tell you that much. We'll see you next weekend. Ciao.